Here I have Alcatel OneTouch Move, and let me show you how to accomplish factory reset operation on that device. So on the following smartwatch, let me perform the hard reset operation. At the very beginning, let's open the Move app on the smartphone that is connected to your smartwatch. Let me tap cancel to update. Here you have to choose the more key and choose the watch. Let's select settings, scroll down and choose factory reset. So if you would like to restore watch to factory settings, tap OK. And right now the Alcatel OneTouch Watch is restarting and rebooting. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be completed. And that's it. As you can see, the setup panel pops up, so it means that your factory reset has just been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.